Today I'm metal detecting with the Equinox 800. I'm in part 1 mode. I'm door knocking with my friend David. And the first door, no one answered. Second door, we got an immediate yes. Not too many signals in this yard. Here's one, but it's shallow. Might just be a penny or a dime. I'll check it out. So there wasn't much at that last house, just some clad. I had another house and I just found this. That last house was 1933. This one is 1893. I found the pirate. Now I just gotta find the pirate's booty. Right? So only change here at the second permission. I just found this toy here. It's a rhino. Cool. I just got a 27 signal and got a doorknob. I found this bent over penny. I thought it was a wheat cent at first, but I think it says 1970. All right, got a 22 signal and I got first sweetie of the day. Okay, so I did another house, but there's nothing there. And now we're on another house. So what's that? 1, 2, 3. This is house number 4. And I just got a wheat penny. First signal here was a quarter. So I was trying to think. The first house was 1933, the second 1893, the third 1906. Now they just told me this one's 1911 or something like that. All right, let's go. And this was a 24-25 signal. I got a 22 to 24 signal and I got a key. Well guys, it's been kind of a rough day. We did 5 houses and we just took a break. We knocked on a couple doors. No one's home. And the guy was in his front yard and said we could do like along the curb, but not inside the fence of the front yard. So we're gonna go ahead and do that now. So that's house number 6.